definitely not ethical. Like, I think animals, they're living just as much as we are, to be honest, in a way. So I would never want, like, me or my family to be put in those types of conditions. It was definitely really disturbing. I'm not gonna lie, like, I didn't expect it to be like that. And during it, like, I kept being like, oh my god. So it was disturbing, and it does make me rethink a little bit about what I am eating. It made me feel really bad because I know that I'm contributing to it. So I do feel really bad about it, and it makes me feel really upset about the animals, because actually you hear about it, but then actually watching it is completely different, because you're seeing what's actually happening to them on a daily basis.